What is up, guys? 79106 here. And welcome to the game. If you didn't see earlier, Pokemon Fire Red. This world is happening far away, but critical Pokemon. First for myself, I started Pokemon as a profession. But first, let me tell me a little bit yourself. You a boy or a girl? I'm a boy. I'm a man. Dead Red. Let's do it. Yeah, my name is Dead Red. Let's think about a really good, clever name. Tom. Yes, it was Tom. Go, Dead Red. Let's go quickly. If you didn't know about this, you're about to learn. You can go right here. Item storage, withdraw, and you can get a free potion. It's Game Freak's way of saying thank you for buying this game. Which, like, I have the game, it's just, I'm recording this on my computer. Yeah. Let's go. On an adventure. Wait, okay. Where does he pop out from? Hey, wait, don't go out! Don't go out, man. He came for the left. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for your protection. I know. Here, come with me. Alright. He'd come from... Was he at my house? Okay. Gramps, I fed up with waiting. Tom, let me think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Dead Red. There are 3 Pokemon here. I'm not on drugs, kids. The Pokemon are held inside these Pokeballs. Sir, there's nothing on the table. They're on the Pokeball. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. Sir, there's nothing to the left of me. But no, my old age, I only have these 3 left. Alright, so I get 1. He gets 1. What happens to the 3rd one? Did like never exist or something? You can have 1. Go ahead and choose. Yeah. Hey Gramps, interfere with me. Be patient, Tom. You can have 1 too. Oh god. Whew. Alright guys. This is gonna be a short, like 3-minute clip. But you guys get to choose Mr. And if you don't, you're mean. Alright. Let's start off with the roll call with my boy Squirtle. Ooh, a Pineco. No. Deoxys? Or Gengar? Alright, the choices are simple. Guys, go out and choose. By the way, if you haven't already noticed, I'm using this new layout that I designed myself. If you want to get it, just comment down below with what Pokemon you'd like. Thank you. And you'd like me to choose. Goodbye and thank you.